I don't know what that is. Probably best come this way. It's right here. Pink rock is no longer pink.
It used to be a pink rock there?
Pink. It used to be pink. But it's supposed to be haunted here. Have any spirits here? Over here and talk to me. This way? Is the pink lady here? Pink lady of the pink rock. Is she here? Can you come talk to me? Can you come tell me your name? Can you please come over here and tell me your name? Wind tonight, y'all. Tonight, y'all, we're at the pink rock, but it's actually not pink no more. It's been painted every other color in the world. That's the pink rock right there. I'll make my way there if I don't break my neck. I'm not sure how to get down there. Made it down. Anyway, as you can see, they've turned it into artwork here. Look, I believe that's Frankenstein. Any spirits here? These spirits out here at Pink Rock. Come talk to me. I guess I have to rename this just to Paint Rock. No, we got a Paint Rock here. Down there is asphalt. Over in the distance is asphalt. We're waiting for the moon to rise tonight. How many spirits we got out here tonight with me? 2? Can you tell me your names? Please tell me your names. Did you die at this rock? There's a lady who committed suicide here. Are you with me? Pink lady. They call you the Pink Lady. Can you tell me your name, Pink Lady? Can you please tell me your name? What is your name? Ow. Miss Spirits are out here with me right now. Are you the lady who died here at the rock? Or are you just a wandering spirit out here? Has there ever been a murder out here? Was somebody murdered out here? Was that you making that noise over there? You got quiet on me. My name's Chris. Can you tell me your name? Is the pink lady here? Is there any spirits here that want to talk to me? I think I heard you. Can you say that one more time? Can you tell me your name? Let's start with that. If you don't want to tell me your name, just say, I don't, you know, just, we won't do the name thing. Okay? We'll have to know your name. We'll just be informal. If you're here, can you make a noise for me? Did you say you're trapped? Are you? Why are you trapped here? Did you commit suicide here? Was you murdered here? Did you have an accident and fall off that rock right there? What happened? Did somebody dump your body here? Can you tell how many spirits I've got here with me right now? Well, I heard you counting down. Are they leaving or coming? Do you like people coming up here and writing all over these rocks like they've done and desecrating this place? Or is that okay with you? Because they've been doing it for years. I know that because this rock used to be pink. Is the pink lady here that the pink rock was named after? Can you tell me what day it is? It's Saturday. No, it's not Sunday, it's Saturday. All right, I'm gonna leave. You know, it's cold out here tonight, so. And they say really don't be here anyway after dark because it's not a good place anyhow. But I come here. Can you tell me goodbye? Can you tell me goodbye? Do you want me to leave? Tell me to leave. Tell me to get out. Okay, good night, y'all have a good evening. I appreciate y'all talking. Well, y'all, that was a short little video. That's the pink rock, since I was over in this area. Check out the graffiti on the road. Do you like this graffiti on this road? I see some satanic stuff. That ain't cool. Here's a skeleton. He's pretty cool. Big Dick Franklin there. Oh, I see. Never mind, y'all. Sorry. I see why they call it here with me. Well, here's a big old mushroom. Check out the mushroom, y'all. Somebody get a job. Painting the road. That's why they say don't be here after dark. Decorated the road. Oh, some more satanic shit right over here. Are there devils out here? Any demons out here? Any evil spirits out here? Looks like your boys is here, Satan. Oh well, look, somebody's throwing a big dick down here. I ain't going no further. Fuck that. This Satan shit just pisses me off right here.
No.
Well, sorry for the graffiti. Some of it's creative graffiti. Some of it's nice, some of it's crude, some of it's satanic. Are there any Satanists around here? Is Satan laying around here somewhere? Any demons down here? The paint rock? That's a red rock, or the pink rock, I mean. God, it's been painted too many times. Can you tell me bye? Do you want me to leave first? Because I want to leave. I don't like this Satan stuff. I'm not down with Satan stuff. More like love. I like that. Blessings there. That's some good stuff. But then you get this anarchy shit here. Anyway. Well, it's been a short video here at the Pink Rock. Now we're going to call this the Painted Road. Because evidently that's what they're doing up here now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.